roads we're stuck here. Really don't want to be. Up to the car. Just so it quietened down. A couple of oh, for goodness sake. Come on.
Okay.
Alright.
Go on then, go.
He's waiting.
We want to turn around, really.
I know. Have to come back down here again.
That's alright, you just have to enjoy it. Right, where?
Nearly waited down there. Don't know where he was.
Did you see that it was a truck? Did you see
No, I saw red. I thought it was a lorry. Good. There's nothing for ages.
I don't know where he was. Where did he say he was stopping then?
Took it there.
Oh, there you go.
Something up.
To watch things sticking out of there. It's annoying that one, though you did see it.
For me, it was struggling to get into the reverse. I finally blagged my way.
Oh, come
I got
on.
the place.
And that's a different story. But I was so determined
I know, started reversing.
But I was just so fearful of the world because I knew that if I'm going to be an adult, you have to make an impact. Because we get one life and you want to be of service, you want to be happy, you want to be a relevant person who...
Sorry? Good.
Got a place. Coastal path.
Oh, down there. There's the door.
It's going to come in here, I think.
Yep.
We'll have to go down there and reverse up. If you go there, we can just reverse back. Come on. There's nowhere to go back here.
Do
Car
about
coming. Oh, we haven't got anywhere to go back to. Pull in there, right? We'll just pull in there. Almost had it. Have to go back to that the parcel swishing around in the behind me. There's Matt here.
Oh, he hasn't.
But he hasn't ruled it in either.
Oh, the gate post.
Where can I go here?
You'll have to go in a bit, drive in a bit.
I just drive in the driveway, yeah.
Yeah, I keep still let them manoeuvre around you.
Plenty of wood in there, Paddy.
You've caused a bit of a
Yeah, they're gonna have some good ones.
Good winter wood. I bet it goes through quite quickly though, doesn't it?
No, it's not too good.
Spoke to a weasel. She's doing alright, isn't she?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, she's probably going to school as well. She. All these mothers in their big cars. You're in your hands with this one, I'm afraid. You just have to go and have to tell us. Oh, it's asking us all at once. That's fine. Oh, what a gentleman. What a sensible gentleman. Might even be a lady.
Oh, you got two.
I'm going to have to go back, I think.
Oh, it's a bit cold by me.
There is a weird part of the
I know, I'm just trying to think where it is. Here we go. This'll do, won't it? Is this alright?
Yeah, I think
What's
so.
going
Yeah,
on?
I would say
You're
so.
right.
Just let them maneuver around, like you said.
The window, right?
Yeah, so the window's alright. She's got loads of room, she's just a bit nervous. They've got yes, they're the young
Look at the
mummies.
way she goes. She's more. Just
Yeah,
the last one.
there was
Very
plenty of
nice.
room. Oh, down the thing in the
Oh
bog.
my goodness.
I think I'll follow here. You come here because you've got lots of people. You come because you've got loads.
These two people make that easy.
It's an old deer actually.
So they're
Back
the
to
yummy.
school.
Oh, another
yeah,
one.
yeah.
Mummies of Constantine.
Now, I always have a bit of a parking problem with these coats.
Avoid. You get a big smile. Avoid.
Another car, ready to pull in. Oh my gosh, full right in. Oh, she's reversing.
Yeah.
You have to pull into this house then, are you?
This summer and try one of Jamie's tasty specials.
Now's the time to switch to BT broadband with Fibre Essential, just $24.99 a month for 24 months with a $19.99 setup in our super fast sale. Our fibre price has never been lower. A powerful smart hub with rich Best Buy, super fast reliable speeds, and more online security than any other big provider. Offer ends 20.
I don't know, we get it in Wiltshire. Amanda waving. We had that as well in Florida, didn't we? He's got the parking slot there. There you are. He's calling you. He's calling you on.
Oh.
The slot there, that's what.
Thank you, Mr. Bone. It's an Audi.
You can tell, oh, you can tell he's got a gate back there. He'll have to go back. He's got a gate back there.
He's gone.
He or she, I don't know. Female, I think. Straighten that round with you, right, mate?
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining.